Has issued a civil danger warning for the following counties/areas. State of Ohio at 9:26 on John 9, 2023, effective until 3:26 p.m. Message from EAS Camp. At 9:20 p.m., civilians and satellite confirm that the state of Ohio is slowly being wiped off the map. It is currently unknown why or how this event is happening. If you are in the central Ohio area, then there is a chance that you cannot evacuate. If you are on the border, there is a chance that you can evacuate. It isn't known if Ohio is the only affected state, so if you are evacuating, go west, not east. Only bring objects of the utmost importance, such as clothing, money, and medication.